Hi, my name is Amy,
And I'm her brother, Phil.
and we use Uber Eats to help people discover Saucy Porka.
Saucy Porka is the definition of Asian and Latin fusion flavors.
We spent most of our lives growing up in our mom's Chinese restaurants, so we really wanted to take this home-style cooking and take these recipes that were passed down from our family and really bring that to life at the restaurant. One of the proudest moments for me was actually opening in St. Louis.
Part of the St. Louis market had to know who Saucy Porka is. And to get the word out there, Uber Eats was critical in our expansion.
We started to see the growth exponentially.
It went from not having any sales in 1 week to within a month doubling our sales and then tripling our sales and then all of a sudden becoming our leading sales provider for us.
We love our food and we know how much our guests love it, and we want to have those avenues to be able to reach to them, and I think Uber Eats delivers that.
Uber Eats is critical in our success.
It feels good, to be building something and to be able to do it together as a family. It's a really rewarding thing.